Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and set up team calendar in Gilded. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead and have a server. I've already made a video on how you can go ahead and create a server. Once all your team have already joined it, just right click on your server, click on create channel, and there's going to be a calendar tab. Simply go ahead and name it team calendar, and then make this channel public and click on create. So as you can see, there is going to be your calendar that your team can view at any time. You can also go ahead and add events just like here. So you can add an event name, your location, when the date is going to happen, the URL. If there is a description, you can add that as well. You can also limit attendance, restrict roles, and stuff like that. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.